Hey everybody, we're out here on the second field, right? Yeah, this is the middle field. There's 3 of them. May's going at it in her winter coat because we're expecting snow today. Mom and Dad, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 people out here cutting and getting everything ready for drying. And that's not too bad. You're bent over pretty much most of the time, but I'm used to the heat now. That's about it. We'll get this all bundled up. We'll take it up there and they'll run it through I don't know if it's a thrasher or what, but we'll do a video once we get up there too.
Cutting rice? Trying to keep all my fingers. This thing's pretty damn sharp. Got a serrated edge on it. So it'll... May's got the first aid kit in her back pocket, so we're good to go. Explain how it's cut?
Yeah.
So you just take the blade in, pull it back, just grab some, reach this way, kind of fold it over your blade and then drag it. And that serrated edge will cut right through that. I imagine that's how they did wheat back in the day. I can't imagine any other way that they did it, but before they had the big machinery to do it. Go back to any of the loose stuff you get missed.
There too. Okie doke. Talk to y'all later.